Hello, welcome to TestPilot Genie. So today we will learn how to automate a moderate to complex flow using the AI of TestPilot Genie. For an example, we have taken the website of Flipkart. The flow will be like this. We will open Flipkart, we will search something here. Let's search for mobile, then clicking on the search icon. After that, we can choose any of the items showing here. Let's choose this one, Pondicherry Blue. Then we will move to the next tab. We will click on add to cart icon. After that, we can click on this add item, and then we can click on enter delivery pin code. Here we can put some pin code and we can click on submit. We can validate something like price details is showing up or not. Then we can click on place order. After that, we can just add the email or mobile number here. Let's add some email or mobile number. Then we will click on continue, and at the very end we will validate if the resend option is coming or not. So this will be our complete flow. So let's start with the test scenario part. First we have to log in. So you have to click on this login icon. Once you log in, you will see this kind of pop-up here. You can click on next and you can go through like what are the steps you need to follow in order to use this. For now, I am just clicking on the cross icon. Apart from this pop-up, another pop-up may come up that is for the location access. For now, like for me, it is already given. The access for the location is already given. But for you, if it is not already given, it may ask for it. And it is recommended to give the location access. Now, why do we need to give the location access? Because some sites like Flipkart or Amazon, this shows search result dynamically. Means based on the location, it will show you the search result. Now, when you are running in automation and not giving the location access, so the search result in Flipkart or Amazon may show different than you are seeing in real time. Because the server is situated in some other part of the world and you are accessing from some other part of the world. So the page that will load for Flipkart or Amazon may be different. So it is recommended to give the access for the location. So once you give the location access, we can start with the automation flow. So our first step will be go to flipkart.com. So this is our first step. And in the second step, we will add some weight in order to load all the element of Flipkart properly. Let's wait for 3 seconds. So once you wait, it will come to this page. So after waiting for some time, we can search something in this search box. Now how to interact with the search box? Let me show you. First we will open inspect. So you can see it has a placeholder called search for products, brands and more. So I can just simply write like this, enter mobile in search for product, brands and more. This should work, but in this case this might not work. Now you may ask me why. The main reason is, if I search for the same, you can see two elements are there. The first one is this one. See, it is highlighting the search icon. So this is the first element and this is the second element. So in order to interact with attributes like placeholder, title or anything, it should be unique. So if your attribute is present or common for more than one element, so it is better to avoid. So here we can see this placeholder, like this thing is present for two of the elements. So we will avoid this. So let me remove this. And another quick thing, so these double quotes are not mandatory. You can keep them or you can remove them. So let's continue. So here for this one, we will be using the XPath. Now, what is the XPath for this? So you can see this has another attribute called Q. That is the name of the of this input box. So we can also write like this, enter mobile in Q. It may work, but I am avoiding this because the Q is not a significant thing. Like if we as a user if we see enter mobile in queue, we may not understand what is happening in this step. So it is better to use the XPath in this type of cases. So let's use the XPath. I'll fetch the XPath / input, and here I'll create name equals to Q. I'll copy this and I'll put it here. So we are entering inside the search box. We are entering mobile, and after entering this, we need to click on search. So this is the search icon, and we will be clicking here. So let's use XPath for this as well. So this is the button / button, and you can see if I search for button, this is the very first button. So let's use this only. So see, 1 out of 1. Now we will copy this and we will simply write, then click on this search button. This is the XPath for search button. After this, after searching, after hitting the search button, let's type mobile here and we will click on the search button. So yeah, this is loading the mobile search result page. So in order to load the full page completely inside the backend, we have to give it some time. Let's wait for 3 seconds. And we will scroll to a particular mobile here. Let's scroll to this one, Redmi A5 Pondicherry Blue. So I'll just copy the text, scroll to, so this will scroll to Redmi A5, and after that we can ask it for a click, and click. So the AI will understand it needs to scroll until Redmi A5 Pondicherry Blue and it needs to click here. So AI will understand that. And after that, after clicking on this, you can see a new tab is getting opened. So again, we will wait for 3 seconds to load the new tab, and then we will ask the AI to switch to the second tab. So once the new tab is opened, we will check if the specifications is coming up or not. So we'll simply say scroll and verify specifications. Then after that, we want to again scroll to the up because specification is in quite below of the page. So we will again scroll to the up. So we will say scroll to top, and then click on, we will be clicking on the add to cart option. Now this is the actual text inside the add to cart button, so you will be using this. So click on add to cart. So after clicking on add to cart, we will wait for some time. Let's wait for 6 seconds. And after waiting for 6 seconds, we can validate something. We can verify the price details after adding it to the cart. Yeah, this is the price details. So we can just simply check this. So this is the XPath. Verify price. This was price details, so verify price details in. Okay, so after verifying price details, we will be clicking on the add item. So this is the add item. So we'll just click on this. Click on add item. Then again we will use a wait for 3 seconds. Now why we are using this much wait? because after you click on add item, it takes some time to add the item inside the cart. After that, after adding this thing, we will click on this enter delivery pin code. Click on enter delivery pin code. And enter so we will add the pin code here in enter pin code field. After that, after entering the pin code, we can click on submit. So yeah, we will be clicking on submit. Now after clicking on submit, it will again take some time to load. Yeah, so we will wait for a few seconds. Then after this, we will click on place order. After clicking on place order, we will again wait for 3 seconds. Then we will enter the mobile number here. So first, this is the place where we will enter the mobile number. So first we need to click on this and then we can enter the mobile number. So let's do that. Click on enter email/mobile. So this is the exact same field where we want to click. And after that, after clicking here, we want to take the XPath of the input box. So this is the input box where we need to input our field. So we can use and enter. Let's put my number in. Now wait for 2 seconds. So let's put the number here, 92206. Now we will validate if the resend option is coming or not. So we will click on continue. And we will verify resend. And after hitting the enter key, we will be waiting for the test scenario execution to be completed, and you can see the live logs in this spot. It will show all the steps are running step by step. You can see everything here. So once the execution is done, it will ask you to download the report. So you can download the report. Also you will get a copy of this report in your email ID. Now let's open the report and let's go through together. So this is the report where you can see test information in the very first page. This is the report summary. You can see total 28 steps were included, and you can see the date and time in UTC. And apart from that, let's go through page by page. First is we are opening the Flipkart.com website. You can see the site is opened. Then we are waiting, and then we are putting mobile in the search box. So you can see mobile is there inside the search box. Then we will go to the next page, clicking on search button. So you can see search button is already clicked and the search result is already appearing. Now you need to wait, and yeah, you can see it is scrolled till Redmi A5 Pondicherry Blue. Now it clicked on it. You can see the color is different because it is clicked. After that, we are waiting for some more time and we are switching the tabs. So you can see after switching tab, this is actually the product page where you can see add to cart and buy now button. Then we are scrolling to the specification. We are verifying specifications. After that, we are scrolling up. We are scrolling to the top. Then we are clicking on add to cart. You can see add to cart is clicked. Then we are waiting for some more time. Then we are verifying the price details. You can see price details is present here. Then we are clicking on add item. You can see add item is clicked. Then we are waiting for some more time, and you can see item got added. You can add some more validation here. Then we are clicking on enter delivery pin code. You can see the pop-up is appearing. Then we are putting the pin code as 6000001, and then we are clicking on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, you can see the pin code got set, and then we are clicking on the place order icon. We are waiting for some more time, and we are entering the phone number here. First we are clicking here, then we are entering the phone number. You can see the phone number that I have entered, it is already here. Then we are waiting for some more time. We are clicking on continue button. You can see it is loading. Then we are verifying the resend option. See, it is verifying the resend option and it got highlighted. And at the very end, you can see test execution conclusion, where you can see all the tests got passed. If your test is getting failed, in that case you can see all the details here along with the last screenshot captured, and also you can see our analysis why it got failed, what you can do to debug to the next step. So this is all about the report. And if you have any question or if you are stuck somewhere, you can drop the comment below. You can connect with us through WhatsApp. You can follow us in LinkedIn. All the details are given in the description part, and you will also see the test step, this thing in the description part as well. Meanwhile, do subscribe us if you want more content on this. If you want to know how to use this thing properly, please do subscribe us. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.